put out of commission just when they needed it most.
And then we got in the closet for like 30 seconds, and then it sounded like a freight train just hit us. And
then we noticed the winds were starting to pick up. We didn't hear any sirens.
Friday night, May the 16th, last night, as I'm filming this video, a powerful and long-lived tornado tore its way through London, Kentucky, leaving devastation and loss of life in its path. A gentleman just told me that this was an apartment building and that they lost 2 people here. There was 2 fatalities right here. He said a lady owned from over here to the left to over here, and she had lost every business she had. She'd had a couple of businesses and she's lost it all. And 2 of the apartment residents, according to this gentleman I'm talking to, they lost their lives. Merciful God in heaven. This is Jacob. He lives in London here on the Old Whitley Road, and his house was devastated. It's still standing, but it was just completely devastated by the tornado last night. You was home when it happened?
yeah, I was here whenever it happened.
Okay, tell us about it.
We were just standing in our living room watching TV, and Mom called. She was like, "Get in the closet right now." And then we got in the closet for like 30 seconds, and then it sounded like a freight train just hit us. And
Wow.
yeah,
Wow. And who was home with you?
just my mama.
Your mama?
Yeah.
You and your mama was here by yourself through that?
Yeah.
Wow. It didn't last long?
It only lasted like 20 seconds. It's just,
Wow. Wow. Done a lot of damage in 20 seconds though, didn't it?
yeah.
Yeah. And you got a lot of folks here helping you get your good stuff that's not been damaged out, don't you?
These are all my family. They're from like 2-3 hours away. Yeah.
Thank you, Jacob. Hope anybody in your family injured?
No.
All righty. Hope everything works out for you and all your neighbors here. God bless everybody. Thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us. wrapped it in that sheet metal. Apparently this is part of the London Corbin Airport, which is really hard to tell except for the wrecked airplanes and helicopters. Complete devastation at the London Corbin Airport. I understand they lost air evac helicopters too. Looks like they're working on one now. Hey guys, we got to talk to the airport manager at the London Corbin Airport, and he's going to give you a rundown on what it did to the airport and the path of the tornado.
Alrighty, it took out eight structures, which amounts to 11 hangar spaces. 2 of them were completely wiped off nothing but a pad and a bunch of debris, and the rest are down, for lack of a better term. We got to get the runway cleared off because we've got a whole bunch of debris from the neighborhood and maybe even from Somerset that landed on the runway. So transportation cabinet's been clearing that off, along with the Whitley County and Jackson County work release programs, and they've done a heck of a job getting it cleared. So hopefully hoping the runway will be open by
A couple of days.
a couple of days is what I'm hoping for.
Hey, we thank you, sir, so
You bet.
much for talking to us. Put out a commission just when they needed it most. My God. Hey guys, we're talking to Brendan that lives here, and he's going to tell us he witnessed the tornado last night.
Oh, it was horrible. It started out as a regular evening. You know, everybody's just kicking back at the sort of living house that I'm in. And then we noticed the winds were starting to pick up. We didn't hear any sirens, but we were watching the TV. And it came in and it swept this neighborhood, clean out the foundation.
Wow.
I mean, there was 1 or 2 people, I believe, that lost their lives, unfortunately. You know, now it's just picking up the pieces, but it was a rough night. The storm came in, and
Did you actually hear it?
yeah, I was in the closet. We didn't have a basement in my house, so we had to lock ourselves in the closet. But the whole house shook. It was,
Wow.
I mean, it was scary.
I never thought I'd witness anything like this with my own eyes. You notice all the friends and neighbors coming to help the folks here? It makes me so proud to be from this part of the country. They're obviously using the Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, as a staging area.
Rescue.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Guys, there's really just too much of this devastation to show you. This is dreadful, and the more you see, the worse it gets. One neighborhood, their home's just completely gone. The fatality toll is all over the place right now. I've heard 20 and a couple, and I think some people is hearing the toll nationwide and getting it mixed up. I don't know. I certainly hope it's not that many here in London. Myself to you. But there is I think he's a major with the London Laurel County Fire Department who lost his life while working this. So a first responder did lose his life last night in London, Kentucky. Keep him, his family, keep all these folks in your prayers. I've never seen nothing personally like this with my own eyes. I've never seen anything. Have you?
I haven't. It looked like a war zone.
Yeah. It just
Very heartbreaking.
yeah. Every time you think you've seen as bad as it gets, you turn another corner and it's worse. Brick houses leveled.
Oh yeah.
So, guys, keep everybody in the prayers, and we will post as soon as we can find whatever charities. We will post links to those in the future when we can. And I've got to mention this. Everywhere I went when I got out and walked around on foot a little bit, there was friends and neighbors and family members loading people's furniture and saving what they could, bringing water, bringing stuff in. Makes me so proud to be from this part of the country. Thanks so much for hanging with us today and praying for all these people. And we'll see you in the next video, won't we? Bye, folks.
We'll see you in the next one.